Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom all over the world. You are welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Breaking, this is what Nnamdi Kanu said to journalists and press media after the court hearing as follows. Persecution of Igbo people in Nigeria stops with me, it can't happen again, IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu roared in court. Published on the Biafra Post. September 26, 2024. It can never happen, that is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that, nothing more, nothing less. When it comes to Igbo people, the rules will change because it is Igbo people, yet you call us one Nigeria. Persecution of Igbo people in Nigeria stops with me, it can't happen again, fearless Nnamdi. Persecution of Igbo people in Nigeria stops with me, it can't happen again, fearless Nnamdi Kanu. It can never happen, that is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that, nothing more, nothing less. When it comes to Igbo people, the rules will change because it is Igbo people, yet you call us one Nigeria. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has issued a strong statement asserting that the persecution of the Igbo people in Nigeria will end with him. Speaking after a recent court hearing in Abuja, Kanu emphasized that his advocacy for Biafra's restoration is rooted in the ongoing marginalization of the Igbo community. Kanu has been in the custody of Nigeria's secret police since July 2021. His latest comments followed the withdrawal of Justice Binta Nyako from presiding over his trial, a move prompted by Kanu's application questioning her impartiality in light of alleged non-compliance with a Supreme Court ruling. During the court session, Kanu directly addressed the judiciary, urging his legal counsel to remain seated as he referenced the Supreme Court's judgment regarding perceived bias. In an interview after the proceedings, Kanu asserted, "This persecution of the Igbo people stops with me, it cannot happen. It can never happen, that is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that, nothing more, nothing less. When it comes to Igbo people, the rules will change because it is Igbo people, yet you call us one Nigeria." Wow! Biafrans and lovers of freedom, let us go into the analysis of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's media press and conference after the court in Abuja. Analyzing Nnamdi Kanu's statement. Nnamdi Kanu's statement is a powerful declaration of his commitment to the Igbo people and his determination to end their perceived persecution. He is essentially stating that he will not tolerate further marginalization or mistreatment of the Igbo community. Key points from his statement. Persecution of Igbo people. Kanu believes that the Igbo people have faced systematic persecution in Nigeria. Advocacy for Biafra. He sees the restoration of Biafra as a means to protect the Igbo people from this persecution. Defiance of authority. His refusal to allow his lawyer to speak and his direct address to the judiciary demonstrate his defiance and determination. Implications of his statement. Continued tension. Kanu's statement is likely to further escalate tensions between the Nigerian government and the IPOB movement. Legal challenges. The statement could lead to additional legal challenges for Kanu and the IPOB movement. International attention. Kanu's words may attract more international attention to the situation in Nigeria and the plight of the Igbo people. It's important to note that while Kanu's statement is powerful, it remains to be seen whether he can achieve his goals. The Nigerian government has taken a firm stance against the IPOB movement, and the situation in Nigeria is complex and multifaceted. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, recently declared in court that the persecution of the Igbo people in Nigeria will end with him. He emphasized that this trend cannot continue and that his campaign is focused on achieving freedom for his people. This statement was made during a hearing at the Federal High Court in Abuja on September 24, 2024. Who are the Igbo people? The Igbo people, also known as Igbo, are one of the largest ethnic groups in Africa, primarily residing in southeastern Nigeria. They speak the Igbo language, which is part of the Niger-Congo language family. The Igbo are known for their rich cultural heritage, which includes vibrant traditional attire, music, dance, and festivals. Historically, the Igbo were organized into autonomous communities rather than a centralized state. This changed during British colonial rule when the East system of warrant chiefs was introduced. The Igbo played a significant role in Nigeria's history, particularly during the Nigerian Civil War, 1967 to 1970, when they attempted to secede and form the independent state of Biafra. Economically, the Igbo are traditionally subsistence farmers, growing crops like yams, cassava, and taro. They are also known for their entrepreneurial spirit, with many Igbo people excelling in trade, business, and civil service. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, is a separatist group in Nigeria with the primary mission of restoring the defunct Republic of Biafra, which seceded from Nigeria in 1967 and was dissolved in 1970 following the Nigerian Civil War. IPOB advocates for the rights of the Igbo people and other ethnic groups in southeastern Nigeria, highlighting issues such as political alienation, inequitable resource distribution, and ethnic marginalization. Additionally, IPOB aims to promote human rights advocacy and protect the rights of indigenous peoples facing persecution and discrimination globally. Would you like to know more about the specific details of the Supreme Court's judgment or the history of the IPOB movement? Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV.
Zoo is panicking. They are panicking. I love it.
Obodo kenenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Kani kenebenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Amadike Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu.
This is a live presentation of now. The 7 minutes past the top hour.
Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike.